So guys, it's been quite a while since I'm using this Realme X2 Pro as my primary device, and it is a very good device with amazing specification at a very great price, and it has some really great set of cameras too. But I thought let's take it further by installing Google Camera on this device, and let's see whether installing Google Camera in this smartphone worth it or not. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a GCam video of Realme X2 Pro. So let's begin. So guys, I will provide the link of the APK in the description box below. You can go ahead and download that GCam APK. You can install it and tweak the saturation as per your want. So now let's take a look at some pictures which I've took from the rear camera. But before that, let me tell you that you can't take pictures with the ultra wide lens and other set of cameras. So you have only one option. So let's compare the photos which I've took in several lighting conditions. So let's start. So guys, this is the day lighting picture, and as you see, I feel the Realme's picture is bit saturated. When it comes to noise level, the Google camera is far better. It's more cleaner, and even the dynamic range is bit better in Google camera. When you zoom it in, you get the idea about that. But it's oversaturated in the Realme X2 Pro's picture, stock camera picture. But when it comes to the color of the Google camera, it is bit muted. You can definitely set the saturation as per your need. And as you see over here, this picture looks pretty fantastic with the stock camera directly, but the details, dynamic range, everything is bit better in the Google camera. But when it comes to saturation, the stock camera is better. Talking of the portraits, here I feel the stock camera is better. When you zoom it in, as you see over here, the skin tones, details is little bit better in the stock camera. And now let's move to the indoor lighting situation. And here I feel the Google camera is showing its strength. As you see, far detailed image. As you see the eyes of that dragon, wow, the detail level are just incredible. And as you see, even in this picture, I feel that the noise level is way lesser in the Google camera's picture. Wow, impressive. And even this picture shows the same thing. The Google camera picture is bit better, but as you see, Realme's picture is bit over sharpened, I guess. And moving to the low lighting situation, here too I feel the Google camera performs far better from the Realme X2 stock camera. As you see, the noise levels are very less in the Google camera's picture. And as you see, wow, both of them perform really good, but the Google camera performs bit better. When it comes to the extremely low lighting situation, you have the nightscape and the night side mode respectively. And as you see over here, wow, both of them performs very good, but I feel that Google camera performs bit better here, but has a huge amount of noise. The dynamic range in both the phone is not that good, so the night side picture does not able to work properly in both the cameras. Both are good, but there is no wow factor in both the photos, I feel that, as you see. So yeah, this was the pictures guys. Now let's move to the front facing camera. So as you see, these are some of the selfies which I took in the daylighting situation. First of all, the dynamic range in the Google camera is just mind blowing. But the face looks very dull in the Google camera as compared to the Realme X2 stock camera. Stock camera gives you a little bit pale image, I guess, which I don't like that much. But still, the Google camera gives you a little bit dull image, which is also not a desirable result. But overall, the skin tones both are very different from the reality. The selfies are not the biggest pursuit of this phone, I feel. Both are good, both are decent, but I feel the Google camera performs bit better here when it comes to the overall selfies. The details are far better, no doubt about that, but it is too much, I guess. It has the over sharpening effect. Not the over sharpening effect, but it looks over. That's what I'm trying to say here. The portrait mode works in both the phone, but does not work properly sometimes. It blurs my earphones, as you see over here. Now let's move to the indoor lighting situation. Here I feel both are good, but Google camera performs far better, but give you very dull face image. Overall, the Google camera's picture is better when it comes to the front facing selfies, but not by a huge margin. You can work with both the cameras, but I feel the dynamic range is far better, but the skin tones are messed up in the Google camera's image. So yeah, you have to take care of that. When it comes to low lighting situation, the Google camera is clear winner here, no doubt about that. Wow, impressive difference guys. And when it comes to the nightscape or night side picture, wow, look at the pictures guys, look at the pictures. The Google camera is miles better here. Like seriously, it gives you much better result from the stock camera. So yeah, overall this was my result. I feel in terms of my conclusion, it definitely worth my time to installing the Google camera in this smartphone. It is a very easy process. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very helpful for me as well as for them. By the way, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.